Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. So as soon as we have seen View 3, Nano Banana, all the models came into the AI world, and how they are creating and how they are changing the video creation and the UGC ad creations. Soon we were using and we were implementing these models and tools. Recently we have also Sora 2, which is coming from OpenAI. This model is also really amazing. So here you can see one sample that we have created.
Still my favorite part of morning. Smooth, a little sweet. Perfect.
So here you can see that it's very realistic, and it's all created with the Sora 2, and the implementation is also very simple. So you have to just go to Kie API, and in the Kie API you need to create one account, and you will get some credits for free. So you can just explore the tool and you can understand how we need to integrate. So here you just have to go to the AI video API. So here in our case we are just creating the video from the simple text prompt. You can create it from text to video or from image to video, so any model you can use. So in our case we are going to use a text to video model. So here you just have to select the VO2 and VO2 text to video model, and you just have to go to the documentation. So here you will see a simple prompt we have given, and a simple 10-second video can be generated. And here if you go to the API section, here you will go to the this documentation. Here you will find out how we can implement in our anytime workflow. So it's very simple. You just copy this curl request, and you can just go back to the anytime, and then you can just simply implement. So here we have started out with a simple form submission. So in our case we are using this, and you can choose any of the model, any of the instructions or input method you want to use. It can be any app like Telegram or WhatsApp also we can integrate. And here you see that we need to just simple a simple prompt and select the aspect ratio. So as soon as you just select, it will going to the this model, and here you can see that we are using the same as given in the documentation part. So it's a very straightforward. So method is post, and this is the URL that we have. And in header you have to just make sure you use content type application JSON, and authorization you use bearer your API key. So here you see we have used in the this header auth authentication. So here you can see that we have used this for Sora. So name it as Sora, and yeah. So it's you will just have to use this JSON body. So here we are using the model Sora to text to video. So here you can see that we have the Sora text to video. In that case we are using text to video, or if we have image, so we need to select image to video model. And as soon as you just pass on this prompt here, and this aspect ratio which is landscape or vertical. So in our case we are choosing the landscape, and here just you need to drag from a previous node to this node, and the quality we are using as a standard. And in the standard quality also you can get a good quality of the video. After that it will process your request, and we can make a get request, and to get the generated content, the video. It's a very straightforward. You just go to the this documentation where it has mentioned that you need to use this get method. Here you can see this get method and this task ID, and every time you just simply put up the request to create the video, you will assign a task ID from this Kie API. So just this get method and this URL and this task ID, which is nothing but from the previous node. And here we have used the Sora API in the header auth, and it's very straightforward. Just authorization bearer space your API key, and after that after a couple of this wait node, it's like actually waiting for 1 minute. So for safer side, it's better you wait for 1 minute to call the API and generate the this video. And as soon as we have this if node also, so here in the if node, if the video is not still generated, it will again call the API this API call, and make sure to get the video done. And as soon as it is done, you will get the video URL is in the JSON format into the true branch. And as soon as it's generated, you will get the code 200 and the message will be success. And after that you can just simply add the field. So you just take it the actual URL of the video. So just simply make sure to use the URL and this URL from the result JSON from the last node. And you just need to make sure that you just extract the actual URL, because here you see it's like starting with the results URL, which will not acceptable to download the file. So make sure to just write a simple code. So you will get this in the description, so nothing worry about it. So just simply drag and drop here and you will get this URL. So just you simply copy this URL and go to the browser and just paste this URL, and you will
Still my favorite part of the day.
and this way the video will be get generated and downloaded. And this downloaded video again can be uploaded to Google Drive, Dropbox, it's up to you. So in our case, we have used this upload video, and we are just simply uploading this file into the Google Drive. So here make sure to operation to be upload, and this data, the name of this file should be same as the input data field name, which is data in our case. If you choose any other name, it may not work. So make sure you choose the same name as we are getting from the last node. And it's up to you wherever you want to upload, where you want to share this generated content. After that, we can connect it to the Instagram or wherever we are convenient. We can directly upload it, and we can share it. And this way this model will be useful to get generated this video. And it took me like nearly 2 minutes to create such amazing content. And if you like this video, please do like, and do comment me to know about more videos on the same topics, or you can also let me know, comment on below, so I will get to know what do you want to learn more about it. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So as soon as we have seen View 3